Hi guys, today we're going to go over the squash fold. It's basically a flap that is squashed down. That's all there is to it. We start with a square sheet of paper and fold it in half diagonally. Now we fold it half again. Pick up the top half so that it's 90 degrees to the rest of the paper. So what we want to achieve is to bring the top point directly over the bottom point. Okay, you may have to put your finger inside to flatten it out a bit. Flatten everything. And we have our squash fold. Thanks for watching, guys.